Hello, good evening. Welcome to Sparkling Creativity. Good evening, all of you. And today's class is for kids. It's a free trial class. You can quickly share the event so that everybody can join. I hope you are ready with the material. We will be doing one drawing artwork for kids, and you need to start with a drawing file, pencil, eraser, and get ready for the artwork. Good evening, all of you. Welcome back to Sparkling Creativity. I'm waiting for all to join so that we can start. I don't want anybody to miss out the starting steps, so I'm waiting. Very soon we'll be starting. Just be ready with the art file, pencil, eraser, black sketch pen, plastic crayons. These things we will be needing today. And very simple, easy artwork we are going to do. The kids can easily draw. So get ready. You can quickly share the event so that everybody can join and we can start. I think we can start now. So what we will do, I'm using A4 sheet and I kept it in a portrait form, the standing position. And what we will do first, we will take a dot on the top of the page, leave some space on the top, and take a dot on the left side of the page, not in the center. Just we will take a dot on the left side of the page. This is the left, this is the right. So just take a dot on the left side of the page, and from there you need to draw a letter C. You can draw a big letter C. It should be big so that we will be getting a big artwork. And then from the same point, start another opposite side C and join it with the C, and you will get a perfect oval. Very easy way to draw an oval. First draw a letter C and then close it with opposite side E. Same size, and then you will get a C, an oval. And what we are going to draw is an artwork for Christmas. Christmas is arriving. So we will be drawing one Christmas cute artwork. Now we will be drawing 2 eyes. Two eyes, one red big nose. It is a circle, and just below the nose, the circle, you take a dot, and from that point you go towards the right. We are not going to draw a full smile, we are going to draw a very small smile, and just draw a curve here. Eyebrows, we are drawing the reindeer, and here you can draw a letter C, another C, just like ulta 3, number 3, and on the top also you can draw a letter number 3 like this. For ears, you just need to take a point. From there you join it like this. One curve, two curve, and join it at this point. It should be little pointed. Same way we will draw ears this side also. Just mark a point. It will be easy to get the point on the ear. Like this. A leaf-like shape. We are drawing reindeer of Christmas, Santa Claus, sleigh. It's a simple, easy, cute drawing. We are making an artwork for Christmas. So we have drawn till now one letter C, then close it to get an oval, C, opposite C, eyes, circle for the nose, half smile, eyebrows, little number 3, ulta 3 and upside down 3 for the hair, and then we will draw the one curve going out. Both the sides we are drawing the horns. See these curve going up, both the sides. Start another curve, small curve. First go up above the ears. Go up, both the sides we will draw it, and then starts another curve. And then what we will do, we will make one curve, one long curve like this. Both the sides we will do the same way. Go up, take a U-turn. Another, go up, take a long U-turn. You will get a little V here. See this V shape you are getting here. Start a curve, you take a U-turn, come back. Again start a slanting line, take a U-turn and come back. And then go up and take a U-turn and join it with another curve like this. You will get a very cute horns of the reindeer, and it should be of the same size. Okay, if you have drawn it till here, you just keep your pencil here, bring it here, so that you get it, it of the same length. Join it with a U-turn. Everything will be you will getting a U-turn. It should be round at the end because we are drawing the cute artwork. In cute artworks, what we do, we try to keep the things with round edges. So it looks cute when we keep the curves edges round. If you will make it pointed, it will become little wild. Otherwise, we will draw it. We will take U-turns to make it look cute. All cute drawings, you just try to make the edges, ends round to give a look of cuteness. Otherwise, it will not look cute, it will look real. But we are not making it real, we are trying to give a cute look, the cartoon look. So we will just give a round curve at the end. So this is the face we have done. Now what we will do, this is the center point of the oval. Okay, you continue. Just draw the horns, go up both the sides. Here we are getting V. You just recognize the shape, what shape we are getting, and you just keep on drawing. This is a V shape, another V shape, and then this is a round curve, U-turn, upside down U. Here we are getting ulta 3. This is upside down 3. Oval. We are simply drawing using the shapes. So face we have done, and keep the face on the right side, left side, because we will draw the body. And as you know, animals' body go long this way, so we need space over here. Okay, because in human figure we draw vertically, and in animal figures we draw horizontally this way. So we need space on the right side to draw the body. For the body, what we will do, here you can see the chin. Just leave one finger gap and take a dot. Just take the pencil, bring your pencil down from the nose, leave some space, and then take a dot, and from there you just need to make a long broad letter. I would not say letter, it's just a semicircle. We will draw a semicircle starting from the center of the, just below the nose. We will draw a semicircle. How to draw a semicircle? Just the below part of the letter U. We will not go long, just shallow U. For the body. As again I am explaining you that we are drawing a cute cartoon type reindeer. So for that we will try to keep the drawing with a round edge. Okay, we will not draw it with corners and all. We will try to keep the things round, and then it's looking like a boat, right? Semicircle. And then from here we have left the space yahan pe. So again we will start drawing one curve. This will be the scarf. For starting from the face oval, just go till here, little up. Starting from the below, go up. It will cover the neck. It will go around the neck. We put scarf around the neck, right? So we will draw the scarf around the neck. Starting from here, go little up. and then 2 curves going up, and again around, again round. These are the scarves. This is the scarves coming out, and then I hope this much is done. For the body you will draw a semicircle, big semicircle, starting from the center of the oval. See, this is the center of the oval, nose is in the center. So just bring your pencil down. From here you start a curve and it will go long. It is a long semicircle, not a deep. It is not deep, but it is a shallow, less thickness, and then just draw a long one. You will not draw it deep. You don't have to draw a U. U nahi hai. It is a semicircle. Here I have drawn the ears with a little point. Very little. It's very little point. You can draw the ears with a little point. Rest we will keep the things round, because I want to give it a real look of ears. So we can, if you are on ears, then you need to draw the horns, and then the scarf, and then the body. Okay. And after the body, you just need to see there is a gap, and then little line. You just start the legs, the front legs, 1, 2. Here it is the sleeping line. This is less and this is broad. Okay, see the difference? This is small and this is big. And then front legs, and then you need to draw the body. Body will go like this. You just complete the body. You can find an oval here. It's looking like an oval. Just complete it. And then the back leg, this is up and this is little down. At the end, you can draw it round. This one is going to be big and this small one. The leg on the other side will look less. See, this leg is other side, this leg is other side. So that's why we have drawn it small, because it is hiding behind this front leg. And then you need to draw the tail. For the tail, you just need to draw a curve up and again join it with a just like ears, we will draw it little curvy point, and then you just make another curves like this to make it little tail. So reindeer is ready. What we have drawn till now: face with an oval, circle is nose, circle, 2 eyes, ears, horns of the same size, small letters we will get. You can see with V. Here we have used number 3. Another oval for the body. this curve for the scarf or muffler, you can say, and then 2 legs in front, 2 legs at the back. And you can just erase a little bit here. Now as this reindeer is for Christmas, so we can draw some background also. Just bring some big and small lines, standing lines. And in that you can draw stars or the decoration, the bells, whatever you want. I'm drawing the stars. You can draw anything related with the Christmas. So right now I'm just drawing the stars. To draw this 5 corners star, you just need to draw 2 slanting lines, just like letter A, then go sleeping, slanting, again go slanting out, and join it with broad open slanting lines like this. For body, you need to draw a semicircle. Look at this shape. This is a semicircle. Okay, first draw this semicircle. Legs. For the legs, you just need to draw sleeping lines and join it with a curve. Sleeping line, join it with a curve. The back side leg, draws little slanting lines. See, this is sleeping line, and this is going little down. So for drawing it downwards, you need to draw a slanting line going down, and join it with a curve. And for the background, you can draw anything you want. I'm drawing stars. You can draw bells, Christmas gifts, so many things you can draw. So I'm bringing the stars, hanging the stars with the string, and in the base you can we can write something. I'm not writing right now because it's too early to wish Christmas. So what I'm doing, we can draw some gifts. Okay, let's draw some gifts. Simple drawing for the gifts. You just need to draw a square shape, put a cross, double it, and just draw two curves like this. You can draw other side also. More gifts you can draw. Just need to put 2 flowers like this, the ribbons. You can draw some stars here also. You can draw some candies all the things related with the Christmas. Simple Christmas candy sticks with a curve and just you can draw more stars. You can draw bells also, or let it be, let's draw some more gifts. Small gifts, big gifts. Basically, we get gifts on Christmas, right? So we will draw some more gifts, and that's it. Okay, simple oval you need to draw. This is not a perfect oval. You just need to draw a curve from downside. This is a semicircle. You draw a letter U now. When you draw a letter U, you take a turn like this. So this body is just like that. You start from here, go little long and go up. Okay. Then you just draw the upper side. First you draw from the lower side and then draw it from the upper side. We always try to divide the object's parts and then draw. You need to study the shape. See, this is long from the down, and then from the scarf you just need to make it long with the same length till, if it is here, if you are stopping it here, then it will go that way long. You cannot stop it here. You just go long with this shape. If this circle is long, then you need to go from here also long. Okay. And still you are not able to draw, you can do like this. C, ulta C, and this is here also you can draw a C, and this side also you can draw a C, but it will be a long, beach mein it is long. See, this line you need to make here. In the face we have drawn only C, but in the body we have to draw a big long C. This is a long line that you need to draw to get this oval shape, long oval shape. So drawing is done. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to start with the outlining with black sketch pen. Then you can complete your drawing along with me with the sketch pen. If you are not done, you can complete it with pencil first and then do it with sketch pen. What we have done, first we will start with the letter C on the face, then close it with another C, then eyes, nose, smile, small smile. See, it's not a big smile. Big smile is a full smile. We will draw a half smile. Eyebrows, here we can draw ulta 3, upside down 3. See, only numbers and shapes we are using. And then for the ears, start a curve, another curve, and meet at a point. And for this body, you just need to go down, go long, go up. See, it's just like a lower part of the U. You write U ना, U ऐसे लिखते ना. You just need to make it like U. नीचे side से U, and then see here also you will get a semicircle, sleeping curves, and then after drawing the scarf you just need to extend it from the scarf and bring it till the other semicircle. For legs you just need to draw 2 sleeping lines. This is small and this is big. For horns you go up. Here we will draw V-like structure. And then this leg, the backside legs are down. So you need to draw a slanting line. Slanting line goes down and sleeping line goes straight. Yes, bilkul straight. And then join it with curve. This first leg will be thick and then small. Okay, you want to draw a heart-shaped gift. Okay, no problem. You just need to, I'm erasing it here. I will draw it. Yes, you can draw some interesting shapes also for the gifts, right? You just take a center point, 2 points at standing position, draw a letter V, join it with a curve like this. And then you can just put the gift ribbon here, 2 slanting lines like this. So you can make a gift like this. You can make the toffee gifts. Again, a simple C, a long C, 2 lines. This way also you can make some patterns. So anything you want you can draw, small objects in the background. You can draw many more gifts. Tail is left. Let me finish the tail. Candies. You can draw many more candies. Just draw some lines. Okay, I'm erasing the star because I have drawn stars on the top now. So let's erase it. I will not do it. I will keep the stars on the top only. Draw the stars. Stars. Or you can draw bells. Anything that is hanging in the Christmas time that you can draw here. The hanging things are like wreath, the bells, stars, and these lines we will not do with the sketch pen, we will do with some colors. So once we are done with the sketch pen outlining part, we erase the pencil work. So we just erase it. Erase the pencil work. Erasing will make your drawing, make your artwork more neat and clean. So before starting coloring, we do erasing part. These lines also you can erase. We will do it right with the colors. Slowly just erase the pencil work if it is there on the sheet. So we are done. Now we can start with the coloring. First we will start with the small things that we have in the face, like nose. So we will color the nose red. I'm using crayons, plastic crayons. Nose red. Then we can do cheeks also. So for the cheeks, you direct make circle both the sides and fill it with the color, pink color. And then we can start with the face. For the face and body, I will use two colors. Okay, the one will be brown. We will start with brown shade. I will start with light hand of brown color, very lightly along with the outline. Lightly just color the color, go with the edge, go with the outline. And then what we will do, we will fill it with orange. So we will get a very bright color in this reindeer. We don't want it to look dull, normal brown. So we want it to look bright. So what we will do, we will color it with orange color, overlapping the brown shade. Okay. See, here I have done the outlining with brown now. So you just overlap means you just color it on the brown also, and then fill it in the face. Then fill it in the face, and while filling it in the face, you need to follow the stroke also. I am using sleeping stroke. You just follow one stroke coloring. And then you can see it's very bright it's looking, and then so slightly overlapping with brown color. Again I'm using brown, I'm overlapping brown color on orange, so very bright brown color I'm getting. Generally this effect you get in oil pastels, but we could try with plastic crayons also. And now I'm just doing it with very light hand all over the orange. So give it a brownish look with a bright yellow orange effect. You can see bright brown you are getting. Same we will do for the ears and the body. In body also we will start with the outline. Just go along with the outline. And then on the legs also, see I'm using very lightly and coloring it with very light hand, and then just need to overlap it with orange color. I'm overlapping it with orange color. You will get very bright brown shade by using orange color. And then just fill it also. I'm using light hand because we will use brown also to get a very nice color effect that you won't get with one color, one shade coloring, right? So here I am using brown and orange very lightly. Now I have done it with orange. Now I will overdo it with brown color with very light hand. Again I am using light hand in the along with the outline. I am using it with little dark hand. And then in the body you need to do it with little light hand. So you will get both the shades, orange also and brown also. So it's going to look bright, not the normal brown, boring brown, right? It's looking bright brown. So just I'm doing it with one stroke. While coloring also you need to keep the strokes also the same. I'm not doing it up and down, zigzag here and there. I'm doing in a sleeping stroke. This is called one stroke. Coloring in one direction. Here also. Now in the tail also you just need to fill with brown and orange. One portion I will keep it orange. Ears also we will do with the same two color technique, brown and orange. but for the horns we will keep it brown, dark brown. You can use black also. Now the scarf we can color it with different colors. You can use any color here, or you can use the Christmas color, that is red and green. You can do this way also. The red and green combination to make it more bright and look colorful. So reindeer is done. Now we will color the stars. Stars I'm going to use yellow color to look bright. You can use blue, you can use silver, golden, or even you can use different colors. You can make it multicolor. Now you need to color the gifts. Gifts can be of any color. You can use any your choice color. All gifts can be different colors. See, heart shape we can color it with red color. It will look good. So, and for the ribbons we can use alternate colors, some light color, yellow, bright yellow will go, neon yellow will go, look good. This gift also you can make more gifts. I'm keeping it pink. See, I'm using here the contrast colors. When you are using two colors in one drawing, small parts like this, you just need to fill it with light and dark shades. And then the candies, we all know candies are white and red, so just leave one part white and rest red. This candy also. And for the strings we can attach with any color. I'm using blue color. You can use any color. So it's looking like reindeer is running to Santa with all the gifts, and you can just put some cloud effect like this and just color it with light blue. To complete the background, you just make some clouds like this, fill it with light shade. Again, I'm using sleeping stroke. Always try to use one stroke while doing the background and anything. Here also I've used one stroke so that it looks neat and clean coloring. So here little cloud effect. I'm using sleeping strokes. I'm using light blue shade. Go along with the line and then start with the one stroke coloring. Background is very important. I've been telling in all my classes that never leave the background. Just do something in the background to look your artwork complete. So always try to do some background also. It enhances your artwork and it looks complete. So what we can do, we can highlight this also with little dark shade of blue here. Again I'm overlapping with blue color like this to give it an outline. Instead of black, I am using dark blue color. So give it, it's looking more cloudy. Here also I can do some background, but I'm using very light hand. So that every object will get enhanced. See, just cloud effect in the background. And here we complete the artwork. I hope you liked it. If you have done it, you can share it on my WhatsApp number, or you can share it in the same post also. Please do share your artwork here. I hope you liked it. It's time to say bye. Do share your artwork. See you in our next event. Bye bye.